Good AM. Today is January 18, 2024, Thursday, and here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 18, 2024, Thursday. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Peona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, January 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of January 18, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.